better love me, you better love me. You need to love me, girl, gonna love me. I wanna love you, girl, let me love you. I'm trying to love you, I wanna love you. So hit me up.
Hey guys, it's the Fly Natural here, and I am back with another video. So today's video, we are going to be doing a hot oil treatment. So my hair hasn't been super duper dry lately, but I have a very sensitive dry scalp, so I have to make sure that I do a hot oil treatment to make sure I put some moisture back into my scalp. Now I don't necessarily focus the hot oil treatment on my locks because my locks seem to have moisture, but I do put some a little bit towards the ends to make sure that they do have some moisture to them. So we're just gonna get right into it. So before I start the hot oil treatment on my hair, we're gonna wash it. So I'm gonna be right back with that. Oh snap, I guess I came back too early. Wait. All right, looks like we are all washed. Now, as you guys can tell, I no longer braid and band. That does not really work for me anymore. I did it my first 2 washes. Then I just kind of didn't see the point. We are all clean. Let me give you a little 360. See what we're working with. Just a little bit. My baby locks look like they didn't came all out. And I just got all this fro in the front. So I gotta put those back in. So, now on for the oils that I'm going to be using. So I have some castor oil, some extra virgin olive oil, and some jojoba oil. Now I wanted to put some peppermint and some tea tree oil into my mixture, but unfortunately I have no idea where those oils are, but we have to move on. So what I did was I put all of the oils here in this do-grow bottle, an old do-grow bottle, and I put them in a bowl with some hot water, and I let that sit for about 15 minutes, and the oil is still pretty warm, and we're gonna go in. Now, what I like to do is part my hair in half. So I have my 2 ponytail holders here, and we're gonna part it, and we're gonna go through and put the oil through the scalp. Okay, so I am finished with the first section, and I just focused it on the scalp and my edges, and I'm just running my fingers through to make sure that all of my scalp under my locks got oil on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue this process throughout my head. Now I have all of the oil in my scalp, and I'm just going through. going through and massaging my scalp. You guys do not understand how much I love a good scalp massage. Okay. So all of the oil is in. Look at my hair. So in my last video, I talked about the shape of my hair and how it creeps up on you. There it is, like boom, boom. Like I hate that. So I'm gonna go through one more time around my edge line because my edges definitely need oil because they get dry. It's just all in the front. All right, so now that I'm all done working it in, I'm gonna just take some of the oil and put it in my hand. Rub it in and get the ends. Boom. All the oil in my hair, I'm gonna pull it back. So we're gonna pull it back into a ponytail, like a little cute little ponytail. And then I'm gonna put a bag on it. Sure. And now I have my purple do-rag, which I use especially for hot oil treatments because I don't mind it getting a little oily. Boom. We are all done for now. So what I'm gonna do is let this sit for about an hour and then I'm going to rinse it out and let you guys see the results. And while I'm doing that, I'm definitely gonna do some type of face treatment because y'all see these planets just creeping up. I gotta do something about that. So I'm gonna come back and show you guys the finished result. Let's see what we're working with. So the oil has my hair feeling really soft and my scalp feels really nourished. Ooh, it feels so soft, you guys. So let me go rinse this out, see what we're working with. Whew. We are all rinsed, you guys. I am loving how it feels. Now, I don't really necessarily love how it smells because castor oil, like the white castor oil, has a really strong, distinctive smell. I kind of smell that on my hair, but it's not as strong as it was when I was doing the hot oil treatment. But look at the definition, you guys. You see those ends? Look at that. That lets me know I'm doing something right because those ends pop. But this is what we're working with. Let you guys see the back. That is it for the hot oil treatment. Hair feels incredible, scalp feels incredible. But you guys, let me know if you do hot oil treatments or if you don't do hot oil treatments down in the comments below, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.